back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. As the warm days of 2024 approach, it's time to refresh your wardrobe with the latest trends in summer dresses, from breezy sundresses to elegant evening wear. We have curated a selection of stunning dresses that will keep you stylish and comfortable all season long. In today's video, we will explore a variety of summer dress styles perfect for every occasion. So let's dive in and discover the must-have summer dresses of 2024. No summer wardrobe is complete without the classic sundress. This year is the sundress gets a fresh update with bold patterns, vibrant colors, and unique cuts. Look for dresses with floral prints, polka dots, and geometric designs. Lightweight fabrics like cotton and linen are perfect for keeping cool in the heat. Pair your sundress with sandals and a wide brimmed hat for a timeless summer look. Midi dresses are making a strong comeback in 2024. These dresses are perfect for transitioning from day to night with ease. Look for styles in asymmetrical hems, ruffled details, and playful prints. Midi dresses in soft pastels and earthy tones are particularly on trend. Complete your outfit with espadrilles and a crossbody bag for a chic, effortless look. Maxi dresses continues to be a summer staple, offering both comfortable and elegance. This year, opt for maxi dresses with bohemian vibes. Think flowy fabrics, tied skirts, and intricate embroidery. Bold prints and vibrant colors can make a statement, while neutral tones can keep things sophisticated. Pair your maxi dress with wedge sandals and statement earrings for an elevated look. The slip dress is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down for 2024. Look for slip dresses in luxurious fabrics like silk and satin. These dresses often feature delicate straps, subtle stitch, and a flattering silhouettes. Wear your slip dress with strappy heels and a clutch of a night out, or dress it down with sneakers and a denim jacket for a casual day look. Wrap dresses are flattering for all body types and perfect for any occasion. This summer, wrap dresses come in a variety of lengths and styles, from mini to maxi. Look for bold prints, ruffles, and wrap dresses with unique details like puff sleeves or cutouts. Pair your wrap dress with ankle boots and a belt to accentuate your waist and create a polished look. Off-shoulder dresses are perfect for showing a bit of skin while keeping it classy. This trend continues to dominate summer fashion in 2024 with new twists like off-shoulder dresses with balloon sleeves or tight skirts. Floral prints, bright colors, and lightweight fabrics make these dresses ideal for summer events. Complete the look with a statement necklace and gladiator sandals. Shirt dresses offer a casual yet polished look, ideal for both work and play in 2024. Shirt dresses feature oversized fits, belted waists, and unique prints. Stripes, checks, and solid colors are all popular choices. Pair your shirt dress with loafers or mules for a sophisticated look, or dress it down with white sneakers for a more relaxed vibe. Boho dresses are perfect for festival season and casual summer outings. Look for dresses with crochet details, fringe, and earthy tones. Maxi and midi lengths are both popular, and layering with vests or lightweight jackets can add to the boho aesthetic. Pair your boho dress with ankle boots and layered jewelry to complete the look. Tiered dresses are all about the volume and movement. These dresses are perfect for adding a playful touch to your summer wardrobe. Look for tiered dresses in bright colors and fun prints. Pair them with flat sandals and straw hat for a day at the beach, or dress them up with heels and a clutch for an evening event. Cutout dresses are a hot trend for summer 2024, offering a modern twist on classic styles. Look for dresses with strategically placed cutouts that highlight your waist, shoulder, or back. These dresses come in a variety of styles, from bodycon to flowy, ensuring there is a perfect cutout dress for everyone. Wear your cutout dress with minimalist jewelry and strappy heels for a chic look. Smoked dresses are known for their stretchy, comfortable fit and feminine look. This summer, smoked dresses come in a variety of styles, from mini to maxi length. Floral prints, gingham patterns, and pastel colors are popular choices. Pair your smoked dress with espadrilles and a woven bag for a sweet, summery look. Puff sleeves add a touch of drama and romance to any dress. Slip skirt dresses combine the elegance of dress with the comfort of a skirt. Denim dresses are a timeless addition to any summer wardrobe in 2024. Look for denim dresses with unique details like embroidery, frayed hems, and button-down fronts. Crochet dresses are perfect for adding a bohemian touch to your summer style. Look for dresses with intricate crochet patterns and lightweight fabrics. Balloon sleeve dresses offer a dramatic and stylish look. Thank you for joining us on this fashionable journey through the must-have summer dresses of 2024. From classic sundresses to elegant evening wear, there is a perfect dress for every occasion this summer. Remember, the key to a great summer wardrobe is versatility, comfort, and a touch. Stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and styling guides.